explaining what was happening in that demo. So here's our algo.py. We basically, for the conversation, we get 10 keywords and turn those 10 keywords for each person's conversations into a vector embedding, and then we take each Google query and take title and a little bit of a snippet and turn that into embedding as well. And then using cosine similarity, we kind of rank them amongst each other, and that's what you kind of see here. Over here we have general labeling. This is how we kind of, you see the topic section, that's how we kind of group them together, and that's how we get our 6 topics right here, and we use k-means clustering for that. Over here we have our Google querying. This is using the Serper API, which is really fast and cheap and has a lot of free queries, so we kind of use that for, and we scrape to get the photos as well. We use Beautiful Soap to get the images because the ones off of Serper are kind of very blurry, so we have to use Beautiful Soap as well. And this kind of gives the query for each individual keyword from the chatbot conversation. Here is our embeddings. This is just generating embeddings for the articles and for the title of the article and the snippet, and we put that in a vector database in Supabase, and we use a Ollama model max B large to do that. Then over here, this is kind of how we take the conversations and then we make an API call, get the top 10 keywords from it, and then we put it back to the user. So each user has 10 keywords constantly of what they currently have, of what's like most interesting to them. And this is what we will eventually query on. It was what we kind of do over here. Over here we have our server, and this is how we get conversations, how we fetch documents, generate everything. This is a Flash server that we're running. Here's our chat, and we use an Ollama instruct model 3.2 for that, for our chatbot for the demo. And here's kind of the front end, and this is how we are capturing our conversations that are used on the front end and putting it into Supabase. And here's getting in conversations and stuff like that. And that's the code.